Good night. My name is Daniyamit Cardona Rodriguez, student forum current hub or new hub, current hub or new hub. Current hub or new hub. At the beginning of the year, it was of the hub enlarged and changed of department. Thanks some and people recommend me hype and lot of experience. They in subject since award in industry for the last years. The company is from another city, which made me well what decision is hard. Thank you. If there is no time, the hope because it has been with the current company for long time and is possibly can shorten the will, make my increase or lead main bid position. It was difficult make indecision because in the old company the school was started, the salary was good and the thought of life in another city may have leaked me and he would not feel as much stress as you. And also meetings in think that I should have accepted the of ignoring the decision in mind because thanks to the company work incurring work in having able I had to with my family if I on logic and I felt committed to the I am currently happy in the hot very old. My hot is green. Thank you very much.